Hello, welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best brad nailers that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Portacable 20 volts max cordless brad nailer. If you're looking for a portable model you can use anywhere in the home without dragging around a compressor, we recommend the Portacable brad nailer kit. This model comes with everything you need to complete minor nailing tasks. The brushless motor requires no maintenance, and you get a long service life from this powerful tool. However, it's important to note that you won't get the same consistent operation or service life as you would with a pneumatic model. However, an electric brad nailer is a good choice for light finishing work. If you're a professional carpenter, you might need a pneumatic model instead. However, with this Portacable brad nailer, you get a 1.5 20 volt max lithium-ion battery, providing you with long runtime. This model comes with a battery charger and battery included, and there's a handy belt clip included with your purchase. The Portacable brad nailer features a bulky, heavier design than pneumatic models. However, with the battery pack fitted to the tool, you get a good balance in your hands that reduces operator fatigue. This model includes a 3-year limited warranty on all defects. What we liked: electric design, portable, balanced feel in the hands, consistent drive depth, works with 18-gauge brad nails, 3-year warranty. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. You must want to invest your money in something that's going to stay with you for years to come. If you're looking for a cordless tool that is easily affordable, but consistent and has a premium design, a CRAFTSMAN brad nailer with the high-performance battery cells is a decent option for you. CRAFTSMAN is a brand that has successfully passed the test of time and has been an icon for almost a century among American homeowners, home builders, automobile enthusiasts, and master mechanics. It's going to present the CRAFTSMAN V20 nailer that lets you enjoy 100% cordless features because you don't need any air compressors, hoses, or even costly gas cartridges to operate it. To enhance your comfort, the CRAFTSMAN cordless brad nailer fitted with a contoured over-molded handle and a lightweight body weighs around 5 pounds. With an optimum center of gravity, it ensures optimal balance and comfort in the hand during use. If you use the CRAFTSMAN V20, you'll say to yourself, "Why haven't I used this brand before?" It is built for supreme comfort and extra convenience with its real success of shooting nails in all weather conditions and materials. It is not the end of here. For the sake of more consistent performance and better efficiency, it comes with a tool-free depth of drive adjustment, a stall, and a jam release mechanism that saves the working time remarkably. Dual LED work light of this tool is ready to illuminate all the darkness of your working areas as well as alert you about the low battery power and stall. It comes with a trigger lock off button, too, for your safety. I believe that all the luxurious and easy to manage features will satisfy a DIY enthusiast or a pro like me. So, don't look any further. Dive in. What we liked: portable cordless design, works with 18-inch brad nails, tool-free depth adjustment, tool-free jam release, offers a good balance in the hands. Number 3. BOSTITCH nail gun brad nailer. This BOSTITCH model is a great choice for an affordable and functional brad nailer. This model includes compatibility with 18-gauge brad nails and a non-marring tip to protect your work. You get an adjustable nailing depth up to 2 inches, with tool-free jam release. The BOSTITCH brand nailer features a non-marring tip, with a side-load magazine and operating pressures between 70 pound per square inch to 120 pound per square inch. You get a belt hook included and an adjustable exhaust port to keep the air away from your workspace. Some projects will require you to place the nail very precisely, otherwise you can end up ruining your workpiece. If you are dealing with one such project, The smart point technology makes the BOSTITCH BTFP12233 the best brand nailer for the money for you. This technology entails giving the brad nailer a much smaller nose for easy nail placement and also eliminates the need to compress the tip to actuate the tool. This model includes a smart point nose for bump fire or trigger release. You get a carry case and extra NOMA tips included with your purchase. And there's a 3-year warranty on the machine. The handle of the brad nailer is ergonomic, with a comfortable trigger and fast reset. What we liked: pneumatic design, works with 18-gauge brad nails. Smart point technology, tool-free jam release, adjustable depth control, non-marring tips included. Number 4. Makita AF505N brad nailer, 2-inch. Makita AF505N pneumatic brad nailer. 2-inch Makita AF505N pneumatic brad nailer, 2-inch. Those of you looking for something with a narrow design and with easy maneuverability might want to take a look into this unit. At only £3 and featuring non-marring rubber bumpers, it is the perfect choice for the DIY worker on the go. This unit may not have an anti-dry firing feature that prevents you from shooting blanks. However, it does have a nail reload indicator that flashes red when you have to put new nails in. This product features a relatively narrow nose. This means that it should be fairly easy for you to adjust your nails, firing them at precise points and not half an inch off. It is quite a convenient tool if you are looking for precision in a delicate project. That being said, it can easily get any job done in a fairly quick manner. Pros: the soft and comfortable rubber grip makes it easy to hold, sold at a fairly affordable price. The narrow frame is perfect for nailing into smaller places. Number 5. Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit. A brand new version of the Hitachi power tools, the Metabo is once more something to look forward to if you are looking for efficiency in a small frame. With its lightweight aluminium body, fatigue is reduced, and you may easily use it for a prolonged amount of time. Metabo is the brand formerly known as Hitachi Power Tools. Metabo offers some of the best hobbyist power tools available. They provide an excellent balance of affordability and quality with this brand nailer. This model is compatible with 18-inch brad nails, featuring a visual reload indicator on the magazine's side. This pneumatic model comes with selective actuation, allowing you to select bump fire or trigger fired operation. You get full tool-less use of this brad nailer, with easy jam release and depth adjustment in seconds. The Metabo brad nailer features a 360-degree adjustable exhaust port, allowing you to keep the air away from the working area. This model comes with lightweight construction to reduce operator fatigue and a non-marring tip with a slender design to help you get into those tight spaces. What we liked: excellent design quality, non-marring tip, works with 18-gauge brad nails, a 360-degree adjustable exhaust port, 2-inch drive depth, 5-year warranty. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.